All right, we're going to fly through some of this functions practice, level 2 practice here, really quickly. Tell whether the following function is a function or not. Automatically, you can tell just by looking at this. Bingo, bango. The two inputs that are -3, the x values, automatically wipe it out. It cannot be a function if it has two domains, two inputs, two x values, the same. So, number one, not a function, duplicate x values. The next one gives you a function. These are all ordered pairs. This is a function, and it tells you that it is a function in the directions. You can look at it and see none of the x values are the same, so yes, it is a function. Then it tells you which ordered pairs down here could be placed into this, and it would still be a function. So you've got to look down here, all the ones that don't have the same x values. So you can't have any with a -4, a -2, a 1, or a 0. The y values mean nothing. They don't even need to be here. It's the x values. As long as you don't have a -4, -2, a 1, or a 0 down here. A would work. B would work. Oops, sorry, B, you're out of there. 0, gone. -3, good. -4, gone. +4, good. -2, gone. 1, gone. So, A is good, B, bad, C, good, D, bad, E, good, F, and G, all bad. Those are bad. So, that one works out pretty nice. None of the x values can be the same for it to be a function. Find the slope of this line. There are a multitude of ways that you can find the slope. You could just go to each dot and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, over. Up, rise, 5, over 4. 5 over 4 would be the slope. Okay, or you could take the two ordered pairs. Okay, I assume this is the x and y axis. So -3, -2, and 1, 3. All you have to do is take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and it still comes out to be 5 over 4, a +5 over 4. If you get a negative answer for this, you know you messed up, because if you look at your line, it's a positive line, so it has to be a positive slope. Now, if you don't follow what I just explained to find the slope on this problem using the points, let me show you really quickly. I'll make it fast. This ordered pair is 1, 2, 3, down 2. -3, -2 is the ordered pair for that point. This point is right 1, up 3. Right 1, up 3. And all you need to do is find the difference between the y's. Let's go 3 minus a -2. And the difference between the x's. Same order. If I took 3 minus 2, I'm going to take 1 minus -3. 1 minus a -3. What's 3? Oh, a double negative turns into positive. What's 3 plus 2? 5. What's 1? Oh, a double negative becomes a positive. What's 1 plus 3? 4. The slope is 5 to 4. Rise 5, run 4. Up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could continue that all day and twice on Sundays and still have the same slope for this. All righty? That's how you can find the slope. If you've got the graph, you can just count up and over, okay, or down and over. If you don't have a graph and you just have the ordered pairs, it's like that guy right there. Okay, graph the following equation. Okay, let me zoom in here for a second. Graphing the following equation on this problem, you've got y equals mx plus b. Y is equal to the slope times x minus the y-intercept. So, if I'm going to graph this sucker, my first point is, look at me, I've got another graph over here. My first point is -4 on the graph. So I go to my origin, and my y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, down 4. It tells me my slope is 4 over 3. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Since they're both positive, it means up and right. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, right 3. Or if you want to go in reverse, down 1, 2, 3, 4, left 3. 1, 2, 3. And look at my beautiful straight line that I drew, that I have a drawing of. Okay, not a great connection of the points, but it is a straight line. All right, so far so good. We've flown through numbers 1 through 4. A car manufacturer provided information about the two car models. It's two different models, car A and car B. It gives the same type of information, gallons and miles, miles per gallon, miles per gallon. It's just giving you two different charts, same information, okay? The graph and the table show a proportional relationship between the number of miles traveled and the advertised number of gallons of gas used per car, or the two models, A and B respectively. Based on the graph and the table, how many more gallons per mile does A get than B? Well, I would go to a common point, okay? Do you cross 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 on this graph? 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10. Look at that. You've got 10 right here. You get 200 miles for 10 gallons. That means you're getting 20 miles to the gallon for car B. Over here, I get 250 miles per gallon. That means I'm getting 25 miles to the gallon. Okay, 250 miles for 10 gallons of gas. That's 25 miles per gallon. This one, car A, gets better gas mileage, 25 miles per gallon, than car B, 20 gallons or miles per gallon. They want to know how many more gallons per mile. How many more gallons per mile does our car A get? Okay, number one, this sentence, holy crap, this is a load of poo. How many more miles per gallon, not gallons per mile? That doesn't even make sense that you're doing gallons per mile. So the answer to this one would be car A, and it tells you car A gets more miles per gallon than car B, but it gets 5 more miles per gallon is what they're asking. I don't like this question because it messes it up so badly. I'm going to post this, and then I'm going to post the test for this. You should be able to get all these right. These are all level 2s. The level 3s are where you take it a little bit further and use the y equals mx plus b, finding slope and using that for some of the problems. It's not that tough, folks. You can kill it. So here you go. I'll talk to you later. And you've got until Sunday, basically, to get the whole test done. If you get it in early, I'll give you any information that you need to know, any help that you need to improve the test score that you've got. So post it quick. Talk to you later. I'm not in the picture at all, just my hands. Talk to you. Bye.